clouds in the way.
It may be coverage of some clouds is what it may. You know, it's still a week, well, we're about 7 days away in the forecast world, and things could change, timing of storm systems, but here's what we do know. There is going to be a storm system rolling across the south. If you were watching yesterday, it didn't have us looking at much rain. Well, today models have it speeding up a bit, and that's at 1 o'clock during maximum eclipse. You're not going to see an eclipse if that's what's happening, at least here locally. So we'll wait and see. I'm not saying for sure we're going to be not looking at it, but I don't like the trends I'm seeing. Now, if you're heading to the path of totality where it actually gets dark, that's Dallas, San Antonio, Austin, and up through Little Rock here closer to us, there could still be some clouds there, but we'll hope it all works out right. Sometimes you do get a break an hour or two where the sun or the clouds will clear out and you'll see it. So we'll see, but right now the trends are not in our favor of getting a nice sunny day to see that thing. All right, before that all gets here, we got to get through a couple storm systems. This one blowing in later today. It's actually causing big problems to our north. Kentucky and Ohio are the big spots today where they're going to see the worst of the weather. For us, cold front comes in later tonight, and we may see a shower or a thunderstorm, but right now I don't have us picking up much rain. It is going to be a warm day. We're already starting out in the 70s. It's muggy, and we're going to get into the 80s very quickly. 84 to 85 this afternoon. That's near a record high, and there's your chance for a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. It doesn't look like anything major at the moment. So here it comes. There's the front. It's going to be producing some storms to our northwest this afternoon. Notice not much happening here at 1 and 2 o'clock, but once we get into the 4 and 5 o'clock hour, we start to see a couple of showers, maybe a thunderstorm pop up. But you can see the bigger storms they really get going once they move past us, so off into Alabama. And then by 9, 10 o'clock tonight, this is all clearing out, and we've got some cool air moving in behind this front. So at the moment, just don't have us picking up much in the way of thunderstorms, but as storms move away, they'll grow in intensity. That's why that severe weather threat increases away from us. And then there's your big problems up into the Midwest, up into Ohio, Cincinnati, Columbus here, all under a level 4 out of 5 for strong tornadoes. They've got a round this morning. They've got another round coming later on today. Behind our front, we do cool down. We'll be in the low 70s tomorrow, 70s Thursday and Friday. Great weather for the middle and end of the week here, but some cool mornings. Don't put away the winter gear just yet. And I say winter gear, maybe a sweater. 50s tomorrow morning, 40s and 50s by your Thursday morning. So we're going to have cool mornings here through the end of the week, but really nice afternoons. 70s and sunny. Can't beat that. We'll be 70s with some clouds building in this weekend, and then there you have it, the solar eclipse on Monday. I'm going to go with a 40% chance of rain right now, with a lot of cloud cover, it does look like. Once again, things could change. That's a long forecast in the meteorological world. And so we'll hope things change. We'll see. Marine forecast, we got a chance for that rain later on today. Winds will be picking up later on tonight as that cold front blows in. It will be windy tomorrow morning, staying fairly gusty throughout your Wednesday, and then Thursday, our winds will start to settle some. High tides are going to happen later on this afternoon into the early evening. 8 and 9 o'clock here for the lakes will be high tide. Your low tides have already happened down along the coast a couple hours ago. Your low tides for the lakes are going to happen in between the 8 and we'll say the 7 and 8 a.m. hours. Mississippi River, it is now falling. It's just below 8 feet, and it'll continue to fall to about 6 feet in the next week or so. Let's say hi to